Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are making another Hello Fresh dinner, and today we're making barbecue cheddar pork burgers. And this is everything here, okay, that's going to be going into making the pork burgers. See the potatoes, cheddar cheese, barbecue sauce, spices, onion, mayonnaise. All right, okay, let's get started. Okay guys, we are caramelizing the onions now. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what we did was we thinly sliced a half of a medium onion. Okay, we put a tablespoon of butter and a drizzle of oil in this pan. And we added our onions, and now we're going to caramelize them. We're not going to have the heat on too high. It's going to be on about medium. And we're going to keep stirring until the onions start to turn a little golden. Okay, and before this, we took the potatoes and we washed them, we quartered them to look like wedges. Okay, so like 4 pieces per potato. They were small potatoes. And we seasoned them with the seasoned fry seasoning, some salt, and some pepper. Okay, and those potatoes are in the oven right now, and they are roasting. Okay, but before I did that, because I wanted to make the process a little faster, and I wanted the potatoes to cook faster, so I took the potatoes and I put them in a saucepan with water, and I added some broccoli and salt. Okay, and I left them cook there for about 15 minutes. I took them out, I seasoned them, and then I put them in the oven. Okay, so I just wanted the process to go a little bit faster, because if you just slice them and you put them in the oven, it takes a little bit longer for them to get cooked through. Okay, but otherwise, okay, they're good. And I took the mayonnaise and I mixed it with the chipotle powder, which is right here. Okay, chipotle powder I tasted it, it's spicy. Okay, it's got some spice to it, so I didn't add much. And I just mixed that, I put that in the refrigerator. It's in the refrigerator, and that's going to be going on the pork patties. Okay, I took the ground pork, and I formed it into 4 patties. Okay, here are the patties, and we're going to be also cooking this. And 2 tablespoons of minced onion, and also half of the package of the fry seasoning went in here. Okay, and that's going to be going into another saucepan, no, a skillet. This is going into a skillet to fry. Okay, and after everything is done, we'll assemble everything. But in the meantime, I have to keep on top of these onions so they don't get overcooked or burned. Okay, so far, so good. Okay guys, if you're still with us, please don't forget to subscribe. It's very easy. Just hit the notification bell. Just click on it, and you'll be notified of every video that I make in the future. And I know, sometimes I'm a pest, but please don't forget, because I know myself, when I watch videos, I forget, to subscribe. So, a reminder, just a friendly reminder. Just take a second. That's all it takes, and subscribe. Thank you. All right, so I roasted the potatoes and I added broccoli. Okay, and in this recipe for HelloFresh, it says you can switch out with broccoli. You know, I guess you could switch out with other vegetables, but I had some broccoli, so I said let me just add it to the, roasted potatoes. They're finished. You're just waiting on the, as you can see, I started frying the pork patties, so we're waiting on that. We're also done with the caramelized onions. Okay, there you go. So we're waiting on the pork patties, the caramelized onions. The process for cooking this was very simple. It was very fast. 10 minutes if at all. Okay, the instructions say up to 15 minutes, but it didn't really take me long. Then I added half of the bag of barbecue sauce that comes with the packet, and mix it in there. You just have to heat it through to bring it up to temperature, get it warm, and that's all you have to do with that. So now we're waiting for the patties, and as soon as the patties are done, we're going to assemble the burgers. Okay, so let me just check and see where we're at over here. Okay, well, it still needs a little bit more time. Okay, so again, the burgers, the pork burgers, we added a half of a mince. We minced a half of a medium onion, very, very tiny mince, and we put it into the burger. We mixed it in with the burger. We added salt and black pepper. Okay, that's all that needed. And and a little bit of the fried seasoning that came with the package, with the kit. So a little bit of that from the HelloFresh kit. Also, you're going to add half of that package of seasoning in there. All right. Okay, our patties are done. We're going to add some of the cheddar on top of each patty. All right. Okay, I turned off that pan. All right, so let's look at our instructions. We've got the potatoes ready. Okay, let's get our buns. Okay, so two things I forgot to show in the beginning. The kit does come with 2 buns, and it also comes with, I think it's about 1 pound of ground beef. I'm sorry, ground pork. Okay, so it comes with everything that you need. Okay, so we're gonna let that melt a little bit. Let's see it melting already. Alrighty, so we're gonna take the buns and we're gonna put some of the barbecue sauce on top of the bun, on the top bun. And actually, no. Remaining barbecue sauce. Well, yeah. Okay, on the top bun. Okay. So let's move everything off to the side. Take one of our buns. Okay, and on the top bun, it says to put some of the barbecue sauce. I'm going to put a little bit there. All right. Okay. Then we're going to spread the top buns also with the chipotle aioli. mix that we made with the mayonnaise and chipotle powder. Okay, and that's over here. I'm going to take a quarter of the mix. This is our mix over here. Okay, so we'll just take a quarter of the mix that we made. Spread the bun on top of the bun. Some of the caramelized. Actually, we'll wait for the caramelized onions. Okay, this is the top bun. All right. I don't know. We should put it on top, on the bottom. Let me see what it says. It says, fill buns with patties and caramelized onions. Okay, so we'll put, all right. So, we'll take a patty. Goes right there in the bottom bun. Okay, we'll take some of the caramelized onion. Okay, put a little bit right here on top. Okay, that's good enough for that. We'll get some of the roasted potatoes. Here. Some of our roasted potatoes with broccoli. Some of the broccoli right there. Okay guys, that's what that looks like. Okay, there you go. Okay. And now I'm gonna taste. Okay, the best part. Let's see what this tastes like. It smells good, I can tell you that. Very tasty. I've never had ground pork barbecue burgers before with caramelized onions. It's the first time, and it's actually very good. Let me take another bite. Cooked all the way through. It was beautiful. I'm also going to taste the onions. I mean, not the onions, the potatoes. Alrighty, one potato, here we go. I left some of the skin on the potatoes. I don't mind the skin. They cooked all the way through. Nice and tender, delicious. Let me taste some of the broccoli. Delicious, very good. Guys, I recommend this Hello Fresh dinner. It's really tasty. I hope you try it. Bye-bye.